Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, if you haven't checked us out on Facebook, take time, the link's down in the description below. And also, if you'd like to help keep the videos coming, please consider going to Patreon and supporting us there. So let's get into today's video. And today's video is about a brand spanking new feature that's just come out today, and it is called Ancestry Hints. The hints feedback. So right here, it shows up as a green button. I've already clicked it and enabled, disabled, trying to figure out how it works and checking what does and doesn't change. So if I enable it, I won't right now because we're going to look at the hints first, but it has some pretty nice feedback. So let's go to my tree. And I've been experimenting here on this William Brown. He's only got one hint left, poor guy. So you look over here, it says ignored hints. So if I click on ignored hints, it just says review, don't ignore, review, don't ignore. If you do don't ignore, it comes back to undecided. It never goes back into new. Okay. So under your hints, you've got new, undecided, ignored, and accepted. So here's three that I have ignored, and notice the boxes. That's all the information that there is. So now let's go and turn on this new feature. So let's go to Ancestry Lab, and we're going to go to the hints feedback right here. We're going to click enable. All right. So once we enable it, now we're going to go right back to the tree, and we're going to look at William Brown again, and we're going to look at his hints. So again, we see the 4, new, undecided, ignored, and accepted. Now let's look at ignored. And looky here. It gives you information or the ability to document why you have ignored this. And I think this is very valuable because sometimes it takes us a long time to discern, is this the right information or is this the wrong information? Or maybe it is you just already have this information in your tree. Now, the one thing I wish it had, not same person. It's not that the name is wrong. William A. Brown and William Brown, these are the right names. The places are wrong. Well, yeah, that one is. He's in England, so I guess I could do that, but it's not the same person. And I wish that it would just say not the same person. Okay. Same thing with the undecided. Now I've put some over here and ignored, and then they flag back to undecided. And underneath here, there's a drop down. Why were you undecided? Well, I'm not sure if it's accurate. There's 6 different things here, or you've got your custom. You can type in anything you want in there to, just to document why you're undecided about this, so that next time you come in here, then you can look at it real quickly and check it out. So there's a nice little new feature for this weekend, the hints feedback. And again, if you're on your home page, the way you get to it, you go to the menu right here where it says extras. Try to make that cursor there. Thank you for helping me get the bigger one. Click on extras, Ancestry Lab, and this first one, hints feedback. Okay, just click enable on it. And like I said, you'll have a green boxes here like you always do when you first start one. And then you'll be able to see the information just like we're looking at it in this video on the hints. You can go directly to the hints right here. And then whenever you ignore one, you get the 5 pre-mades and a custom. And then on the undecideds, you get the 6 pre-mades and a custom. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It wasn't a very long video. Don't forget to check us out, like I said, on Facebook, Patreon. We have an Instagram page, and on Twitter.